Hi there, David here and welcome to Wild Goose Adventures. I've had this rooftop tent just over 12 months and it has been fantastic. It's enabled me to go lots of places. I've headed west, I've been northwest, I've been north. Of course I've been down the coast a lot and this has been my accommodation everywhere I've gone. I've used it in caravan parks, I've used it free camping, I've used it when I'm staying at friends' places. It has just been incredibly useful. But in that time I picked up a few things and I thought I might just show you some of the little tricks that I've learnt with this rooftop tent. Let's sheet on and have a look. Okay, once inside, the first thing I wanted to show you, the rooftop tent come with lights. And these are the lights here, but they came originally pointed down. So they were all down in the bottom and moving them and getting them to go on and off was a bit difficult. Turned these around, the lights around, so they now come to the top. And it means that if we come back here a little bit, that I've been able to put my Charge 5 with the lights in the centre. And what that means is that I can use them really easily. They also switch on and off from the button just here. Okay, that's enough of that. The lights have been a significant change. I want to show you the bedding, but to do that I think we might move out of here and somewhere a bit more useful. Let's sheet on. For the purpose of this, I've taken the mattress out of the rooftop tent. I've just brought it inside where it's a bit more comfortable so you can see what I'm doing. The mattress itself is about 1150 wide. And they say 30 mil, but this is probably closer to 40 mil. And it's all right, but not really comfortable for a long-term stay. Darchi make a beautiful Supreme snoozer, and I've got 1100, and 1100 is a little bit smaller than the original mattress, but it's okay. But the beaut thing is two things. This is 100, so it's nearly double, or just over double its thickness, and that gives really good coverage. It also comes with, you can see, and the valves enable the air to be squeezed out. So in the rooftop tent, I just close the lid and it squeezes the air out, and then it will look a lot like this. So squeezed out, it's about the same width as the original mattress, and is now enables the rooftop clamshell to close, and I can keep all the bedding in there. And speaking of bedding, this is the Darchi Cold Mountain, -5 degrees. The cool thing is I can let the zips in on the side so that if it's too hot I can get some more air, but on those cold nights or early in the mornings I zip it up and it's toasty. I love this, and this has been a fantastic addition to my rooftop tent journey. So with the sleeping bag and mattress safely tucked away inside the rooftop tent, it's now time to close it. I normally close the fly zip just to helps keep everything in, but this all stays out. I just normally drop this onto the tow bar, and that stops it from going up as I'm trying to just put it all away. And from there I can just tuck it all in. The last thing I do is undo the strap and I put it in the back. And that, my friends, it's all tucked away, ready for another adventure. Well, that's it for this episode of Wild Goose Adventures. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. That'd be totally awesome. And until next time, smooth sailing.